We started off cool, just cut friends, but at the end of the night, my Nina snapped tight. See, this a feeling that I never felt before. Metaphorically, Venus is my go. She holding me up when I feel down. Now every time I come around, she making me frown. Girl, get your issues scurry out the back door. Send the drummer for those goals in the 6-4. Hey, yo, I am the brother of the black sheep. Though I know a lot of niggas don't like me. The reputation in the hood is a must-bust. Steady backing, never slacking, on the one, yeah. Say, we keep on going and going.